Hey guys, it's Brian Prince here, coming to you with another video. In this video, I decided to make the leap of faith and grab a HomePod. When I got a HomePod from Apple, I have one set up already, and I also have a 4K Apple TV. So given the latest update with tvOS 14, I decided to go ahead and get another HomePod to set it up and try out the Dolby Atmos sound. So
simple inside box. Usual Apple paperwork. Sticker. Info.
There we go. So now let's use our iPad. And we're going to go ahead and say set up. And we're going to set this up in the lower level. When it comes to Apple, I pretty much say yes to everything. So we're going to go ahead and say yes to this. Transfer settings. Go ahead and read this. I already have a HomePod. I actually have a couple of HomePods set up, a couple of HomePod minis. So we're going to just tell it to use the same settings. All right, center this over the little circle thing. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of find that. And I actually didn't even center it up perfectly. I just kind of literally hovered it in the area of the HomePod. Now they talk. Okay. Let's try that again. And that is actually why I like to do these videos, because it doesn't always work out perfectly. And so many people ask me questions all the time. So now that we have the HomePod set up, if we go into the Home app on the iPad and then select lower level, which is the room that I added it to. Okay. When we scroll down, we have two HomePods here. Press and hold. It's going to bring up the HomePod, and it looks like it's already searching for Apple software. So I'm going to go ahead, download the latest version of software, and that is the version that will actually allow me to pair it to make a studio pair, and then I will be back. Okay, so as you can see, I now have both HomePods set up for my viewing pleasure. And I am going to go ahead and go back into the movie. I've already configured them. One quick step, I know this video is about the HomePod. So on the Apple TV, if you go into settings and then you go into audio video settings, make sure your default audio is set to whatever you name the HomePod pair. That way you won't have to keep telling your Apple TV to play from the HomePods every time you turn the Apple TV on or switch to a game or watch different video content, YouTube, whatnot. This tells the Apple TV to always play from the HomePods in at the very least stereo pair, and if applicable, the Apple TV will also play in Dolby Atmos. So I just found a movie that's available in Dolby Atmos, and you know, because it tells you right at the top, Dolby Atmos. So we're gonna hit play on this because Inception, is Inception Dolby Atmos? You would imagine it would be, but I don't think it is. Yeah, see, so Inception didn't have Dolby Atmos. So the highest Inception was able to simulate was 5.1. I want to go to something that's going to give me true Dolby Atmos. There we go.